Hi everyone, it's Miss Emma.
It's
and who's with me?
me.
What's your name?
Sticky.
What's your name?
Nora Stuckey.
Yes, and they're here with me today. We're gonna make lemonade, homemade lemonade. This is an activity that I love to do in the preschool classroom, and unfortunately, given our circumstances, I can't do that this year, so I'm really gonna miss it with the kids. So I thought I'd share it with you, and the recipe is gonna be shared with you as well, so you can do this at home. But let's look at our ingredients, okay? So can you tell them what are some of the ingredients we're gonna use?
Sugar and some hot water, Stevie water, and we're gonna use sugar like for our water, and we're gonna use some ice because and we're gonna use watermelons, and we're gonna
not watermelons.
No.
Lemons.
Lemons.
Yes.
I'm gonna use lemons to squeeze with this thing, and
this is a juicer. Okay.
and we're using a thing that's called a juice. No,
This is
a
a
pitcher.
Yes, right.
And I hope you guys love this video.
Okay, so first we're going to get our pitcher. And what's the first thing we're going to do, Nora? We're adding
Sugar.
Okay.
This is our sugar.
Yep, go ahead and open it. Can you open it?
I can open it. I can't open it.
That's okay. Okay, so we need
So we're gonna get a
cup and 3/4. So here is our cup. 1 cup.
We got 1 cup.
Thank you.
And we're gonna get it. Then we're gonna do that.
Go ahead.
And go. I hope you do.
Okay, and you want to get it all the way to the top.
Right.
So scoop deep.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Yep, that's about 1/2 cup. Put it in here.
Put it in the
So let's do that 2
Pitcher.
more times.
okay. Squeeze the lemons. Is this one?
Okay. And Paul, what will be our next step?
What is it?
Yes,
So
we're
we
gonna add,
added sugar,
and now we're gonna add the hot water.
hot water.
How
It's
many
in
cups? How many cups of hot water?
3.
Look at your recipe.
2 cups of water.
Nope.
No.
That's step number 2. 1 cup of hot water. This
One.
is steaming, so we want to be extra careful.
Yeah.
This will dissolve our sugar.
And we're gonna stir it. Then
Yep,
it's
that's
gonna
step number 3.
dissolve.
Okay. Can you stir? Paul, you want to stir? Okay. Be very careful.
Make sure you cover your mouth all the time.
Yeah. Oh, yes, we did wash our hands before we started, right? Do you need some help?
Ah!
We already put some lemons in there, didn't we? Yes, and there are some seeds.
And you cannot eat them because they're not good for you. Please do not.
And yeah,
eat
we
them.
did put some rinds in there already. We already got started on our squeezing.
We're gonna
our
take them out with
apple juice,
a.
or lemon juice.
I
Okay,
don't know.
now, what's our number 4? Look for number 4. That's our 4th step.
We're adding 2 cups of ice.
Okay, you ready? Paul, you want to go ahead and put that in? Got it? Okay. Here. Okay. Okay, and what's the next step?
We are gonna squeeze the lemons.
And how much lemon juice? We've already squeezed some. How much lemon juice we have already, Nora?
We gotta put this many right here.
Yeah,
After 1
and a half.
1.5
cups of lemon juice. So yes, we already squeezed about 7 or 8 lemons. We're gonna squeeze a few more.
Mom, can I squeeze the lemons?
Yeah, let me go ahead. Now you can squeeze with your hands. Our occupational therapist would love that to work on your fine motor skills.
And we know that we love you really much, preschoolers.
And
Yeah, I'm a preschool.
yes, you are, Paul.
Mom, can I squeeze too?
Yeah. Like I said, you can also squeeze with your hands. Paul, you want to squeeze this one with your hand? Squeeze down.
You gotta squeeze really hard.
Squeeze that. Okay, because you may not have a juicer at home, so you can absolutely use your hands. And like I said, that's a great way to
And
work
if you don't have lemons, just borrow them at Kroger. They're free, maybe.
No, they're not free.
They're not free.
Okay, Nora, you want to squeeze that one? Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And try to keep the juice in the cup.
Mom, later, you're gonna keep it.
Good job. Okay, good job. Okay.
So we're all the way up to one, just a little bit more.
How does it smell, you guys?
Yummy. Until we drink it.
Okay, Paul, you want to squeeze? I'll squeeze. Good job. Now, how do lemons taste?
Good! No, they don't.
Here.
They're
You
sour.
want to try?
Really sour.
Try that taste. How does it taste? Oh, don't.
Sour. Paul, don't taste it.
Oh, Nora. Squeeze. Okay, okay. All right. So we're done with that. Did we get all of the juice we needed? Ooh, right there. Okay, we're gonna pour it.
Can I pour it?
Yes, very carefully because this is sticky. Very, very sticky. And yes, there are some seeds in there. Okay, go ahead and stir.
We're gonna pull them out. Can I
Stir.
This is how you make lemonade.
And the last step, we're gonna add 7 cups of
Of
water.
water.
You ready? Can you count with me?
1,
Paul,
2,
Justin.
3,
Nora.
4, 5.
There's 1 cup. Hey, Paul, count with us.
1, 2.
This is 2. This is the second one.
1,
2,
2,
3, 4.
4,
That's 5.
5, 6,
And 7.
7.
Okay, stir. Okay. Oh, we're all done with that. You may want to go wash your hands. Are they sticky?
We're gonna taste them and see how they go well.
See how it tastes. You ready? Okay, let me see.
Can I be
See if we
the...
got it all stirred together. Mixed.
Wait, get the seeds out.
Well, that's kind of hard to do. Okay. Now let's see.
If I say
You
seed,
gonna try it? How's it taste?
yum, really
Okay.
good.
What's it? How's it taste? Is it sweet or sour?
Tiny bit sour because we had too much.
Do you think it needs more sugar? We maybe have too much lemon juice.
Too much lemon juice. I can't taste the sugar.
Okay, so you may have to add more sugar or more lemon juice depending on what your family enjoys. This is a great opportunity to work on language skills. You know, when we're talking, it offers some fun opportunities to talk about vocabulary, like sweet and sour.
Yeah, if it's sour, then you know, if you drink the seeds, then you'll get sick.
No. Okay, stop. Okay, guys, let me finish. So yes, you can work on vocabulary, following directions. It's a great opportunity to work on those skills. Like I said, you know, I'll share this recipe with you and you can go through the steps with your children. You count, you have to measure, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we have to measure each ingredient. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoy this and have a wonderful rainy day again. We love you and we miss you.
We're going to Ezra's house. Tell your parents if you want to make lemonade. It's really good.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day, guys.
Hey,
We
Paul.
love you all.
Paul, try, maybe this one's sweeter. Try that one.
Can I try?
Take a big